Ayo, boss, and happy holidays from all of us from the Cooking Corner. Whatever holiday you do celebrate, we hope you were safe. We hope you had fun and it was a festive holiday season. And today we have a great episode. We're going to show you how to make some homemade donuts. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So the first thing you're going to do is start off by... Wait a minute, what the heck? What is it? Chef, you didn't. I'm just teasing. We actually did this for a reason. Chef went ahead and got some local donuts. They are homemade, just for the record, from just a local farm market that he supports. And he's doing this because he wants everyone to just remember cooking's fun and we love doing it, but pick up something fun and easy for breakfast, whatever you celebrate, and spend that time you would be cooking with your family. We know a lot of people are doing big dinners, so make breakfast easy. Pick up some donuts or bagels or pastries and spend that time with your family. So we hope everyone did have a kind of a fun video here for you. Keep it simple, everyone, this year, and be safe. We have a new year to come, a lot more videos to share, and happy holidays. Cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.